Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to dangramza.com Market Studies for Monday, October 14th. Well, interesting way to finish the week out here. We had some positive fundamentals as we talked about in the advanced video. The S&P gave us a so-so close. It's positive. It does tell us that people are willing to hold on to positions going into the weekend. If you haven't seen these videos before, this is the daily chart. We're looking at a concept of a swing trade, which means it lasts from 1 day to maybe 2 or 3 weeks. But what do we see here? Well, we see a red line which represents selling, green line which represents buying. A dashed line means it's something that happened prior to Friday's action earlier in the week. In fact, the difference between the sell level to that buy level in this market, the value of that is $700 a contract. Just trying to give you a feel for what this magnitude of change is in these markets. So S&P, we do look for follow through. Oh, let's talk about the NASDAQ market as well. In this market, the difference between the buy and sell level, to give you a feel for that, was $4,600 a contract. And what do we look for but a sideways move here? The Dow in that market was getting firmer and it was giving us some decent movement, but then it stopped. Now, last few days, it's picked up a bit. The difference here between that sell and buy level is $500 a contract. I do look for follow through to the upside in that market. Also, the Russell, the small to mid cap stocks are also firming up a bit. I do look for follow through, but not a big day up on Monday. The euro continues weaker. But it's slowing down here. Be careful on the short side. Same thing here for the Swissy. The dollar difference between the sell and buy level in that market, to give you a feel for that, it is, let me get you the right number here. Just check, there it is. It's $1,725 a contract. It's slowing down. Friday should have been a positive close. Be careful here on the short side. Japanese yen traded above its buy level. Very interesting market in terms of where it is trading from a global point of view. Dollar difference here between the buy and sell level, $3,075 a contract. I'm looking for a sideways move there. Aussie dollar traded above its buy level. Dollar difference in that market, to give you a feel for that, is, let me get the right number here for you. It's $1,740 a contract. So, sideways movement, yes. Be careful here on the long side. That's not a real positive close. Canadian dollar losing momentum to the downside. Be careful on the short side. Bitcoin traded above its buy level. The dollar difference from the sell to the buy level in that market is $4,600 a contract. Look for an inside to only slightly higher movement on Monday. Let's take a look at what's happening in the bond market. It continues lower as yields continue higher. Be careful here. This is also at a level that it's found buyers in the past. Over here in silver. Let's take a look at gold too. Difference from the sell to the buy level in that market, $2,500 a contract, if I could just say it. But what do we look for? Follow through, yes, but not a big move in that market. In silver, sell to buy level in that market, to give you a feel for that one. Excuse me. is $3,750 a contract. In copper, traded above its buy level, that dollar difference $2,250 a contract. Well, a lot of people are bullish on this market, but fundamentals do not support it. Be careful here in that market. Like crude, difference between the sell to buy level in that market, to give you a feel for that one, is $6,370 a contract. Difference between that sell to buy level there is $200 a contract. It wants to go higher. I'm looking for an inside day on Monday. Look for the same thing in nat gas, sideways movement, and our friend Mr. Bean, it's slowing down, but fundamentals are mixed on that market. Same thing for corn. Dollar difference here in that market, $200 a contract. Not looking for a big move up in that market, and a sideways move here in Mr. Wheat. Difference between the sell to buy level in that market, $300 a contract. Well, those are my thoughts for today. Hope you found something helpful. Look forward to being with you again on Monday. In the meantime, have a terrific weekend and take care.